Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Alpana Chaudhary. Students, as we have discussed briefly all the diseases of tropical diseases in the previous video, now we will study each and every disease in detail. So, today's lecture is about yellow fever. What are the outlines of yellow fever in the slides? These are the outlines. Introduction, distribution, epidemiology, disease background, transmission, diagnosis and management, prevention and control, action to take. Now we start with introduction. Students, basically yellow fever is a mosquito-borne viral disease that occurs in tropical and subtropical areas. It can occur in male and female of any age, and it belongs to the family of Flaviviridae family. What are the global distribution? See this slide. In 45 countries of Africa and Latin America, more than 900 million people are at risk. 2 lakhs cases and 13,000 deaths worldwide each year. This is epidemiology graph chart. Now, what's behind disease background? So this epidemic is from 1820. Nearly 700 civilians died. Now I tell you about something yellow fever. It is the first account of sickness diagnosed as yellow fever occurred in 1648. पहला जो बीमार हमने को देखा था 1648 में. एंड द वेक्टर इज एडीज एजिप्टी मॉस्किटो. एडीज एजिप्टी मॉस्किटो की हम पहले भी एक डिजीज़ पढ़ चुके हैं. दिमाग लगाइए, सोचिए कौन सी है वो. नॉन ह्यूमन primates maintain disease. What are the agents? Flavivirus fibricus, group B arbovirus, these are the microscopic view. What are the reservoir and vectors? First one is monkey and other one is mosquito. Host factor, all age are suffered, both sexes may be suffered, persons in contact with forests, woodcutters, hunters. Immunity, one attack of yellow fever give lifelong immunity, just like chicken pox. This is the severe model. Humans can be one of 5 categories at the time. एक टाइम पे वो क्या क्या हो सकता है? ससेप्टेबल हो सकता है, एक्सपोज्ड हो सकता है, इन्फेक्टिव हो सकता है, रिकवर्ड हो सकता है. लेकिन अगर वो वैक्सीनेटेड है तो वो रिकवर जल्दी हो रहा है. अगर वो एक्सपोज्ड है लेकिन वैक्सीनेटेड है तो भी वो बच जाएगा. ठीक है. तो virus incubating contagious include survivors, victims, mean. These are about the severe model. What about the environment factor? What's effect of climate? Tropical with a relative humidity, endemic presence of disease in the jungle. what means about endemic presence of disease in jungle? Existence of disease in the jungle. Okay. What about social factors? Social factors are urbanizations, more populated forest. Incubation period is 3 to 6 days. Period of communicability is blood of patients in infective during the first 3 to 4 days. Student, may I clear? This is an electron micrograph of yellow fever virus. Yellow fever see this, an electron micrograph of yellow fever, Aedes aegypti. How it transmitted? It transmitted in jungle, villages, cities. How? Through mosquito. मॉस्किटो से मंकी से किस में हो रहा है? मॉस्किटो से होते हुए, मंकी से होते हुए, ह्यूमन से होते हुए वापस मंकी में, फिर मंकी से होते हुए, मॉस्किटो से होते हुए ह्यूमन में, वापस मॉस्किटो से ह्यूमन में, फिर ह्यूमन से मॉस्किटो में, ह्यूमन में, मॉस्किटो में एंड अदर देन ह्यूमन. There are two different transmission type of yellow fever. First one is urban yellow fever. Second one is jungle yellow fever. See this diagram. First one is Slavitic और jungle yellow fever. ये कैसे हो रहा है? फॉरेस्ट मॉस्किटो वेक्टर है इसमें. हमने देखा था ना इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोग्राफ ऑफ येलो फीवर वेक्टर. तो सेम हियर. Who is the vector? Forest mosquito. And in urban cycle, who is the vector? Aedes aegypti. Urban yellow fever. It is the disease of humans spread by mosquito that have been affected by other people. Causes of most yellow fever outbreaks and epidemics. First one is yellow fever can spread by coughing, sneezing, breathing and handshaking. Back then, people who died from yellow fever were thrown out on the streets. This made the city even more contaminated and more people were likely to get ill. Now, about jungle yellow fever. It is the disease of monkeys. It starts from the mosquito bites a monkey and starts to spread. People get infected when they are in the middle of this natural cycle, are bitten by a mosquito that have been infected by monkeys. It can occur in tropical Central and South America. What are the clinical features? See this: red eyes, fever, vomiting, back pain, jaundice, headache, bleeding, muscles ache, hepatomegaly. So, what is the symptom of yellow fever? After a victim is struck with the fever, symptoms start to show 3 to 6 days. The time period of this is called the incubation period. Mild yellow fever symptoms include fever, headache, bloody nose, nausea and slow heartbeat. These are about 3 stages to these symptoms. These symptoms are not always a sign of yellow fever. First one is the first stage of symptom is high fever, 104 degree centigrade, 104 degree, and headache, dizziness, seizures, especially in children, pain in neck, back, legs, vomiting, yellow eyes, bloody nose or gums. Second stage is the recovery possible stage. All 3 days the fever and symptoms may get better, which begins the second stage. New symptoms are bleeding. New symptoms appear: bleeding, confusion, anuria. What is anuria? Anuria is a complete stop in the production of urine. Students, if you have any doubt, then drop it in the comment section or call on my phone number. It will be resolved in upcoming video or in next video. What are the third stage? Is the toxic period. Fever returns, other symptoms appear: jaundice, yellowing of symptom and eyes, continued nosebleed, heart damage, coma, vomiting blood, problems in liver होगा बेटा, यहाँ पे लाइव नहीं होगा, liver होगा. Problems in liver, kidneys, lungs and other organs possible could lead to kidney failure. What are the diagnosis? In diagnosis, we can do PCR blood test, can sometimes detect the virus in the early stage of the disease. In later stage of the disease, testing to identify antibodies is needed. That is ELISA. ELISA. What are the treatment? Our homeopathy treatment. Patient should be hospitalized for supportive care and close observation. Rest, fluids and use of pain reliever in homeopathic medicines may relieve symptoms of aching and fever. Yellow fever patients should be protected from further mosquito exposure for up to 5 days after the onset of fever. Now, what are the management? क्या कर सकते हैं मैनेजमेंट में? Should be use of mosquito net, use of mosquito repellent. So students, these are all about the yellow fever. The future topic will be continued in the next lecture. If you have any query, then you can contact me on my phone number. If you have any query, contact on my phone number.